To set up a Dave app bank account, start by downloading the Dave app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and click on Sign Up to create a new account. You will be asked to provide your mobile number to receive a verification code. Enter the code and proceed to the next step. You will then be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Make sure to enter this information accurately as it will be used to verify your identity. You will also be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a combination that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Next, you will be asked to link a funding source to your Dave app account. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. You will need to provide the account and routing numbers for your funding source, or the card details if you are using a debit or credit card. You will then be asked to verify your funding source. This is a security measure to ensure that the account or card is yours. You may be asked to enter the amount of 2 small deposits that will be made into your account, or to confirm your card details. Once your funding source is verified, you can start using your Dave app account. You can use the app to track your spending, set budgets, and receive alerts when you are running low on funds. You can also use the app to apply for advances on your paycheck, or to take out a small loan. It is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the Dave app before signing up, including any fees associated with the account. The Dave app offers a range of features and benefits, including no overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirements, and the ability to apply for advances on your paycheck. By following these steps, you can easily set up a Dave app bank account and start managing your finances more effectively.